welcome to my channel. So today's video, I'm doing this look right here. It's kind of just like a get ready with me. But yeah, this is my first video. If you guys want to see how I got this look right here, then just keep on watching. This is the best it's gonna get right now. So for today's video, I'm just going to do a soft glam. If it becomes more than that, then I don't know what's going on. I already moisturized my skin. I haven't primed, so I'm gonna prime. Smashbox, minimize pores, and that sounds good. I might just use it in my T-zone, and then I'll use the Hangover primer for the rest of my face because I really like to look hydrated whenever I do my makeup. Okay, so for the rest of my face, I'm going to use the Hangover primer by Too Faced and just use a bit. Ugh, what is this? That's all moisturized in my skin. I'm gonna let it sit in there for a little bit, so I'm just gonna work on my eyebrows. They're not filled in yet. They are brushed, which is good. I think since I'm going for a soft glam look, I will not fill them in like full bead brows. I'll just do subtle. Fill these boys in just a little bit, nothing too crazy. I like haven't done my makeup. I only ever do it on the weekends because I'm always working, but I have to do it right now. This is harder than people think, in my opinion. Okay, now I'm just going to use the spoolie end to clean it up. Now my brows are done, I'm going to clean them up a little bit with this brush. I'm gonna take this little glass, it's like a candle holder from Michael's. Desi Perkins talked about it and I was like, I need this because I always use the back of my hand and dirty. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of concealer on there. And then, oh, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape. Just going to put some on my brows and clean them up a little bit. I can bring this closer. I can do this. Now that I don't think I'm gonna do the top of my eyebrows today. I think I'm just gonna do the bottoms because this isn't like a full beat here. Now I'm going to take my Real Techniques beauty sponge and I'm just gonna buff this into the skin. It's already wet because I was like, I came prepared for the first time ever. Just kidding, I'm always prepared, but yeah. I'm going to set it with the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I ran out of this for a long time, and for me, they only have it at the, I didn't mean to flick everyone off. Now I'm just going to take that on this Real Technique brush and just set my eye. I got this Anastasia Beverly Hills clear brow gel and I didn't really like it at first. I was like, does this even work? But I actually really like it. I wear this with my eyebrows plain. Wow. That's really cute. This stuff smells really strong and chemically. So it's like burning my throat a little bit every time I smell it, but I'm still going to use it because... Anyways, now that that's all done, I'm going to do foundation because I'm not doing anything crazy with the eyes. If I were to do something crazy with my eyes, I would do them first, but I'm not. Okay, so I think I'm going to go in with the Lancome. I'm not going to try to say that. But this is their 24-hour makeup. I'm going to try to say it actually. This is the Taint. Wait, that's not how you say that. That's like a butt. What does taint mean? Taint. Oh my god. Okay, not taint. Okay, a lot just happened right now. I don't know how to say this foundation, so I'm just not even gonna try. But this is it. Okay, so I'm gonna take some of this foundation and do like 2 pumps onto here, and then I'm going to take a brush. This is a Morphe B9 brush. I'm just going to apply my foundation with that one. This is, I think, gonna be a little bit too light for my skin, but we can fix that for sure. If there's a will, there's a way. Okay, that's good. I don't ever apply foundation like this. I don't know what's going on. Now I'm going to take the color Toffee by Maybelline, the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm just going to take a little bit. I like to put this on the outer of my face because it's more dark, because I'm very two-toned. See, look how much better that blends in with the outers of my face. I feel like I have not yet in my life found the perfect foundation for me. I'm just going to take my beauty blender that is kind of dry at this point. Let me spray it with a little bit of rose water by Mario Badescu. Okay, so now I'm just gonna blend this. Okay, this is not working. Going with this brush and buff it, and then I'll do the beauty blender because it kind of dried a little bit. I'm trying to do this. I always get my ears because you always want to be blended from the top of your head all the way down here, in my opinion. Okay, now I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and just dab everything over just to get everything even. I think that's pretty well blended. If not, then oops. Let me look. Yeah, that's cute. So now I'm just going to take concealer and concealer to my eyes because I have the worst dark circles ever. I think it's just genetics. And now I'm gonna take the color Tan Sand again in the Tarte Shape Tape and just apply under my eyes. And I like to put it on my nose, just a tiny bit on my forehead. Now I'm just going to blend this in under here. So now that that is all blended in, I'm just going to set under my eyes real quick before it creases. I'm just going to take some powder. Ugh, this is so amazing. Let that sit for like 30 seconds. I don't ever bake because I feel like if somebody ever gets a picture of me caught off guard and I'm like white, I will have to sue, honestly. Now I'm going to take this brush that I used on top of my eyes. I'm just going to tap it into my skin. Okay, that looks really nice. I'm looking good, like honestly. I think it's my hair. I really like that whole snatched face cat eye look. So that's what I'm going for today, and I think it's just the hair. Forget the face. Okay, so now for my contour today, I'm just going to use this NYX palette. It's the Highlight and Contour Pro palette. This shade right here and this shade right here, I like to mix them together because this one's really dark for me, but I still like to use it. I'm just gonna take a little bit, and you could just build it up, and yeah, I'm just gonna start making my face look warm because I love looking tan. Circular motions to evenly distribute the product. I feel like I always have to keep moving when I use this product because it'll just like stick right to your face. Texting intermission. Wow, my face looks so cute. Compliment yourself because nobody else will. I'm just gonna clean up this contour real quick. Laura Mercier setting powder. I'm going to take that same brush that I used for my eyes and blend that into my face. I'm going to start with my eyes because they look pretty bare. I just want to put a little bit of definition back in them. Ooh, somebody must be talking about me. Who's talking about me? I don't know. This is a 35O palette, and I'm just going to take the Morphe M518 brush, and I'm just going to dip into this color here that has hip pan. These ones obviously broke. Love myself. I'm just gonna dip into there and just put it in my crease a little bit just to give it some definition, nothing crazy. I like to take it and just like kind of wing it out because I just really like that catty eye look. I'm gonna take a little bit more and just keep going with the blending here. Finish with my eyes. I think I'm just gonna put like a little bit of orange. I just feel like it looks really good with my skin tone. I'll go in with this orange right here. Dip into it, that one. Next is, I think I'm just gonna put some lashes on. So I picked up 3 from the store, Ardell Faux Mink. I think they're cute. I picked up 3 different styles just because I wasn't sure what I wanted. I think I'm just gonna go with the Ardell Faux Mink 812 Invisiband. I'm gonna take regular tweezers and I'm going to apply my lashes. The lash glue that I use and love is the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive, and this has aloe in it. Aloe is amazing, you know? So now that I have my lash coated, I'm going to apply both my lashes and I'll be right back. Wait, now that my eyelashes are on, I'm just going to apply some mascara, add some more definition. I'm going to use, what do I want to use? I'm going to use this dupe for the Better Than Sex mascara by, what is this, by Too Faced, right? Yeah, by Too Faced. This is Ash Paradise by L'Oreal. I think it's pretty nice. I like it. Okay, but I'm just going to take a little bit and just apply a little bit, kind of focusing on the outside because I just really enjoy that cat look. For my lower lashes, I like to take this L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black. I just like this because it's more fine and it's just easier to pull your lashes. Next step is highlight. So I'm going to take this Wet n Wild one. It's in the shade Golden Flower Crown. I absolutely love this. I think it's like one of the best drugstore highlighters ever. I'm just gonna take this brush by Sigma. It's a Fan F41 brush, and I'm just going to put on the high points of my face. I have a scar right here and I still highlight it because, honey, this scar is gonna shine, okay? For the rest of my life. Okay. And then for the rest of my face, I like to take a small brush, put a dot on my nose. I love this. And then up the bridge of my nose. Hit the brow bone a bit. Wow, this is nice. And last but not least, I'm just going to put a little bit right in the outer corners of my eyes because I feel like it just opens up your eyes and makes them look bigger. A little bit of Fenty Gloss. This is Gloss Bomb. Ooh, yes. This is like absolutely the best. I'm just going to set my face. I'll just use this NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. Hope you guys enjoyed watching and maybe you learned some tips or tricks that you may not have known before. I will be back later with more videos. So thanks. Bye.